Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about your practice set 40 from your chapter 10 banks and simple interest. Now we are going to see practice set 41. So from that, first see the first example. If the interest on rupees 1700 for 2 years is rupees 340, the rate of interest must be 12%, 15%, 4%, 10%. बघा काय दिलंय तुम्हाला. इफ द इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 1700 फॉर 2 इयर्स, म्हणजे ही अमाऊंट दिलेली आहे प्रिन्सिपल 1700 या अमाऊंटवर फॉर 2 इयर्स 2 वर्षांसाठीचा जो इंटरेस्ट आहे तो किती आहे रुपीज 340. सो द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मस्ट बी, म्हणजे आपल्याला रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, पण या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला हे ऑप्शन दिलेलं आहे की हे आन्सर येईल रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट किंवा हे रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट असेल तर ते तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट करून फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, सो हियर फर्स्ट ॲज युजल राईट डाऊन P equal to how much? Rupees 1700. Then T equal to 2 years. Okay. Then I equal to rupees 340 and rate of interest R equal to what? So write down the formula. I equal to P into R into T upon 100. Then put the values. Now see, this interest is given 340, so write down below it 340 equal to P 1700 into R, that we have to find out, so write down as it is. Then into T 2 years, so write down 2 years upon 100. Now see, this 340 as it is, write down this 20 get cancelled with this 20, so 17 into 2, 17 into 2 multiplied by R, and so R equal to this 340 divided by 17 into 2. So see, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, and this 0 write down as it is. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, so R equal to 10, means this is your final answer. See which option is here, this 4. Okay, so the correct alternative is 4. So here write down the correct alternative or answer. Alternative is 4, म्हणजे 4 नंबरचा हा जो ऑप्शन दिला आहे तुम्हाला, दॅट इज युअर right answer. 10%, that you have find out 10, R equal to 10. Okay, now see next example. If the interest on rupees 3000 at a certain rate for a certain number of years is rupees 600. तुम्हाला इंटरेस्ट दिलेला आहे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 3000 रुपीज, म्हणजे 3000 हे काय आहे तुमचं प्रिन्सिपल अमाऊंट आहे. तर या अमाऊंटवर ॲट ए सर्टन रेट, तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी रेट माहिती आहे का? नाही. नंबर ऑफ इयर्स, दॅट इज रुपीज 600. सो व्हॉट वुड बी द इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 1500 अंडर द सेम कंडिशन्स. नाउ सी इन दिस what we have to do here. First we write down what is that, rupees 600. If the interest on rupees 3000 means this is your principal amount, so write down principal equal to rupees 3000. But if the interest on this principal at a certain rate of certain number of years is 600, means 600 is interest that is on this amount. So here write down I1 equal to 600 या अमाउंट वरचा इंटरेस्ट आहे. ओके, सो अगेन व्हॉट इज आस्क, what would be the interest on this amount, म्हणजे 15 वरचा पण आपल्याला विचारलेला आहे. सो I2 equal to what when P equal to rupees 1500 and R and T remains same. Okay, so here write down I1 upon I2 equal to P1 upon P2. So I1 means 600, this interest, upon I2, that is unknown. P1 means first principal 3000 and P2 means second, that is 1500. Okay, now take their cross multiplication, means 600 into 1500 equal to this 3000 into I2. लक्षात आलं, आपण तिरकस गुणाकार केला या ठिकाणी. सो I2 इक्वल टू हे जे आहेत याला हे डिवाइड करू, 600 into 1500 अपॉन 3000. बघा, हे 20 या 20 बरोबर कॅन्सल, हा 10 या 10 बरोबर कॅन्सल, then 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So I2 equal to 60, here 60 and here 5 into 5. So I2 equal to 300. So that is your interest. Okay, means which option here? Options are there. Which is first option? So here write down finally the correct alternative is first. म्हणजे हे तुम्हाला जे दिलंय ना, दिस इज राईट वन. देन सी द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. In that question number 5, one table is given there. Okay, and in that table I am going to take 2 examples. Now see from that table in example 3. Principal is given P equal to rupees 8000, R equal to 5 PCPA, T that we have to find out, I equal to 800, and amount again we have to find out. This is example number 3 from the table. Okay, so here write down your formula as it is. I equal to P into R into T upon 100, and now put the values. Now see, I equal to 800 that is given, so write down below I. I च्या खालीच ती व्हॅल्यू ठेवायची आहे. P 8000 दिलेली आहे, so write down. R 5, T you have to find out, so write only T, and upon 100. Then see, this 20 and this 20 get cancel over here. Then again this T equal to this 800 upon this 80 into 5. Then solve it. This 10 get cancelled. Here 8 1s are 8 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 2, means here T means number of years, 2 years is there. Okay, then you have to find out again amount. So here write down A equal to P plus I. This is your formula. Now P how much? 8000. So 8000 plus interest how much? 800. Where is that 800? This interest 800 is given over here, means rupees 8800. That is your amount. This is your final answer. Okay, then in next 5th example from the table. Again P is asked here. Principal amount you have asked. R is equal to 2.5. Then T equal to 5 years. Then I equal to rupees 2400, and A again we have to find out. So write down formula. I equal to P into R into T upon 100. So I, what is I? I is given to 1400 equal to P, you have to find out, R 2 and the half years, T 5 and upon 100. Okay, now what we have to do, take cross multiplication, this 2400 into 100 into this P into 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2 into 5. Okay, now in the next example, what we have to do, this 2400 into 100. आता हे इथे गुणिले आहेत ना, आपण यांना इथे पाठवून देऊया, भागिले करून टाकूया आपण. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर, 20, ह्यांचा गुणाकार किती, 5 5 जा 25 अपॉन 2, म्हणून हे 2 अपॉन 25 उलट करून लिहायचं, कारण ते या बाजूला येत आहेत ना. सो 25 1 जा 25, 25 4 जा 100. So what is your answer? This 20 means 19,200 equal to P. So finally write down P equal to 19,200. This is your principal amount. Then you have to find out amount. Amount equal to P plus I. So P is equal to this 19,200 plus interest. Interest how much? 2,400. So A equal to, ह्यांची जर आपण टोटल केली, द आन्सर इज ₹21,600. दिस इज युअर फाइनल answer. Okay, so I have taken only 2 examples, 3 examples remaining that you do for the practice. And today we have finished your this chapter, and your next chapter we will start in your next lecture. Till then, goodbye students.